know about you guys, but every year I love to make ornaments and give them to my friends and family. And every year I like to come up with a new theme. And guess what this year's theme is? It is fake bake, sweets and treats. Let me know down in the comments below if you are obsessed with making ornaments for friends and family, or maybe you sell them online. I'm Andrea Curry. I'm gonna make a series of 5 fake bake ornaments that look deliciously sweet and super cute and handmade. And not only that, but they're going to be so budget friendly that you're gonna be like, are you kidding me? Like cents on the dollar kind of budget friendly. Get your glue guns, get some glitter, and let's get to crafting.
Let's do a fake bake cake pop using foam balls, barbecue skewers, the top of an ornament, and of course some awesome latex balloons. Choose your favorite balloon color, stretch it out, and then cut off the neck. Then just put it right on over your foam ball, and twist up the edges, give it a dab of glue, and put on the top of the Christmas ornament. Now keep that hot glue gun handy because you want to put a little dab of that on your barbecue skewer and stick that in the bottom of the cake pop. Now comes the fun part. Let's use our hot glue to actually decorate our cake pops like it's frosting. You'll notice that I have a coffee filter down below, and that's used to catch all of the glitter that I'm sprinkling onto the cake pop. Now that's another hot craft hack from Andrea Curry Crafts. These customizable cake pops are perfect gifts for anybody in your family. And even better, they're super budget friendly because they really only cost about 25 cents each. Now let's add a little Parisian flair to our holiday decor with some macaroons. It kind of seems like magic to be able to use balloons in this way, but all you have to do is take a small piece of pool noodle, put a polka dot balloon over it, wrap some rickrack around it, and give it a nice little hanger with a Chanel stem. This project only took me 1 minute to make per macaron. Can you believe how easy this is?
And boy, oh boy, is this inexpensive. Probably less than 25 cents each. What?
No holiday would be complete without a shortbread cookie. I'm gonna make one with jam in the middle. Well, it's not technically jam, but it's gonna be sweet nonetheless. Sweet as in totally cute. Take 1/2-inch pool noodle pieces and put them onto a tan piece of felt. And cut out a square, leaving about 1 inch around your pool noodle. Now glue your pool noodle down to your felt, right in the center. Now cut 1/2-inch slits all the way around your pool noodle. Take a loop of yarn and then secure it with some hot glue. This is what's going to be your hanger. Now you can start folding up all of the pieces, securing it with a little bit of hot glue. Be careful not to burn yourself. I actually ended up using a nice little silicone tool that I found in the makeup section of Dollar Tree. Yet another hot hack from Andrea Curry Crafts. Once all of your felt is bunched up into the middle, what you're going to do is take a small little ornament, take the top off of it, and then glue it into the middle. It's going to act as your jelly piece. Now this next step is totally optional, but I think you know by now that I love glitter. So if you want to add a little dusting of sugar onto your cookie, then grab some translucent glitter and get to sprinkling. I just love how this use of felt with glitter and shiny objects creates so much dimension.
So I'm telling you, very affordable, make lots of these.
All of our friends and families love sweet s'mores, so we're gonna make some to hang on our Christmas tree. But instead of using graham crackers, we're gonna use cardboard. And instead of using marshmallows, we're gonna use 1.5-inch foam balls. And we're gonna be using 2 colors of glitter this time. Measure your cardboard so that you have about 1/2 inch around your foam marshmallows. Then cut out each square. Make sure that you have 2 for each side of your marshmallow. You don't wanna have a s'more without 2 pieces, am I right? Now to cover up the rough edges of your cardboard, simply pour some glitter into a coffee filter or a cup or a bowl, and then cover your edges with some hot glue. Dip that hot glue edge into your glitter, and voila, you have a beautifully glittered edge. Now we've got to make this round foam ball into more of a marshmallow shape, and we simply do that by squishing it down on both sides. See? Flat end here and flat end over here. And because no s'more would be complete without some gooey chocolate, we're going to add some warm glue and sprinkle it with black glitter. Now glue on your graham cracker pieces and you're almost done. Use your barbecue skewers to poke some holes into the top of your graham cracker pieces. Give it a little dab of warm glue and stick a U-shaped wire hanger right into the middle. Now you can add cute little bows and hang them right onto the tree.
You guys, should I put a face on this? Comment down below if you think that I should put little faces on these marshmallows, because I'm kind of feeling like character marshmallows are in.
So let's make some peppermint candy table decor. Not only is it going to be cute, but it's going to be budget friendly too. Simply use supplies from the Dollar Tree, or if you're an Amazon fanatic like I am and sometimes receive some nice flat foam in the mail, use that. It's a great way to repurpose it. I think a lot of people don't want to work with foam because it's quite messy, but I have a hot hack for you. That's right, it involves blowing up a balloon and having it nearby for static electricity to collect all of the pieces. Now that everything is sticking to the balloon and not to me, I can get started on the rest of the craft. Regardless of where you get your foam, as long as it's smooth, it's easy to use acrylic markers or acrylic paint. I can also go over the rougher edges with the same acrylic marker. If you don't have acrylic markers, you can easily use some craft paint. Just make sure that it's not any aerosol spray paint, as that will melt your styrofoam. Once all of your peppermints are painted, you're going to want to actually add some white school glue and some translucent glitter. Always add glitter, especially when it comes to sweet treats. Since I'm making a multi-level peppermint display, I'm using barbecue skewers to make each of my peppermints stand out and above the rest.
If you ever want to quickly cover up a skewer, get some of this mesh rope from the Dollar Tree and you just stick your skewer right through it, and it just makes it like super easy and decorative. I could easily see myself making a ton of these smaller shapes into ornaments. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. Bonus craft, that's right. I had some leftover discs from Dollar Tree, and so I cut it into fourths and then just rounded off the edges, painted it a purpley color, and then glittered over top of it with purple. These cute little gumdrops are perfect. Look at that shine, boop. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, hey, check out my other videos. If you liked this one, you're gonna like some other ones too. Probably this one or this one, I don't know.